Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has allocated Rs 600 crore for India's ambitious deep ocean mission aimed at mapping deep ocean floors and developing advanced technologies, including a manned submersible with a 6,000-meter depth rating. The mission will explore deep-sea mining, sustainable bioresource utilization, and offshore thermal energy-driven desalination plants. The Finance Minister also allocated Rs 1,329 crore for Mission Mawsum to enhance weather forecasting. The Ministry of Earth Sciences received a total allocation of Rs 3,650 crore in the Union budget. The Indian